Welcome back. It seems like each week or every single day, there's a new wellness trend claiming to be the secret to better health. But while some may sound promising, not all of them are backed by science, and it could lead to some risky health problems. One of the latest trends getting a lot of buzz right now, injectable peptides. So we have joining me right now, we have Dr. Irani. Thank you so much for joining us. It doesn't look like my prompter is working. So talk to me a little bit about what injectable peptides are.
So peptides are actually a natural substance in our body, kind of similar to hormones that we have, and they signal our body to do things. And so now we're discovering certain peptides, can benefit us in certain ways. A really common one is insulin. So that's a peptide that actually is a natural occurring peptide in our body that we now inject and use as a medication. The GLP-1s are examples of other peptides. There's also growth hormone, which we use for, young kids who may have a growth hormone deficiency. That's a peptide as well.
Okay, and are these considered safe? What is a safe injectable peptide, or what is a safe peptide in general?
Yeah, and so I think it really depends on testing, right? So peptides that have been FDA approved, insulin, GLP-1s, growth hormones, those we know are safe, barring the compounding pharmacies. It depends on the quality of the compounding pharmacies making those medications. But the ones that haven't been tested, we don't know if they're safe. We don't know the long-term effects of over-injecting them, of treating people who don't have the medical problems with them.
There's a lot of influencers on social media. You see it now because health is so big on social media. These influencers are saying that you can lose weight. Is there a truth to this?
Well, yes, with GLP-1s, you can lose weight, yes.
Okay.
But the other wellness peptides, no, there's no proof to it. There are several peptides out there that they report to increase your lean body mass and cut your fat, but there's no proven data to it.
Is there an injectable peptide that isn't safe, or is it the ones that really haven't been, analyzed, right, by doctors?
Yeah, we don't know. We don't know if they're safe in the long term or not. But the most important thing is that these peptides are being manufactured in places that are not regulated. And so we don't know what else is going into that injectable medication.
As a professional, what would you recommend to our viewers who are watching right now?
I would say if you're looking at injectable peptides, either for weight loss or whatever else you may need it, go to a physician. Because we do know the ones that are FDA approved, even the ones that are compounded. We know the compounding pharmacies that are safe and have a good reputation.
Dr. Irani, anything else that you would like to add that maybe I missed out that you would like to let our viewers know?
No.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.